All right, we have a question here which is on a cuboid. The length, breadth, and the height of a cuboid are 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter, and 15 centimeter respectively. And we need to find the total surface area, or TSA. Okay, the short form of that. And as always, we should just draw the visual first of a cuboid. This is a cuboid where all the surfaces are rectangular in shape. And let's not forget that. And what is the total surface area? Just as a recall, from a refresher from my video or episode on the cuboid surface area, this I've copied from there. Total surface area means a cuboid has got 6 sides, and total surface area means the area of each side, and you just sum it up for all the 6 sides. So you should include the total surface area for all the 6 sides, okay? The top and the bottom, on the left and the right, and the front and the back. That's what it is, okay? And we know that since all the shapes are rectangle, the top and bottom will match. The area of the top and bottom will match, right? Similarly, the area of left and right side will match, and the area of front will be equal to back. Okay, we know that. And since it's rectangle, the area of each side is going to be the product of the two sides. If you're taking this side at the bottom, then it's going to be length into, it's written as depth, but you can also consider as breadth, and so on and so forth. We already seen that. So we just need to apply that formula. Pretty straightforward, and we have all these values given in centimeters. Let's not forget that. And we just apply that and calculate the value using calci, and our final answer is 746 square centimeters. Since the unit is given in the problem itself, centimeters, we should not forget that. We should use the same unit. This is the most important. Since it's a area, we're going to talk about 746 square centimeters. Okay, that's a quick wrap up on this, and let's check out the next question possibly. Okay, so we have another similar problem here, which is called as find the surface area of a cuboid, and we have the dimensions. So again, it's a cuboid problem. So in your mental math, you should know this is how the cuboid looks like, and we should doodle the visual. First thing in the exam answer sheet, just doodle it without forgetting it. And the same thing. Now the thing over here is, in the previous question that we saw, they clearly asked find the total surface area. They clearly asked us to find that. In this question, they are just saying to find the surface area. They're not specifying which one. So in such cases, based on the marks, you can assume one of the two things. Either what you can do is, you can assume that they're asking TSA, total surface area only, which is a fair assumption, and you can calculate that using the same formula. Or you can just write both, saying that okay, TSA is equal to this units, and LSA also you can find, which is the lateral surface area that we have seen. That it makes your life simple, easy, and it's not risky at all to get those two things done. So let's take these 3 dimensions and let's see what we apply. I have not solved the problem, I just given you the hint. You can do the maths yourself. So total surface area is nothing but you should include all the 6 sides, and we have seen in the above problem how to do that. Okay, and when we talk about lateral surface area, we know that lateral means all the sides, okay, excluding the top and the bottom. So lateral actually means sideways, which we already seen in the previous episode where I have explained this in detail. So you have to exclude the top and the bottom. Okay, you have to exclude this orange and this yellow at the top and the bottom. Just take the left and the right side and the front and the back. And since we're talking about rectangles, you just multiply the sides. The product of 2 sides of each of the rectangle will give you the area of that particular side, and you just add that. So the only difference is this element will not be there in this. We are just going to include these 2 sides. Okay, that's all it matters. And then you add that, and that way you will get the answer in square centimeters. Again, the question is giving the unit as centimeters, so let's not forget that. I've highlighted that in red. So it has to be square centimeters and square centimeters. That's how you calculate the total surface area or the lateral surface area based on how the question is asked. Let's move on to the next topic.